Hi, my name is Brady Brantley and welcome to my Slidecast. I'll be discussing the design principles that I've used for the infographic that I've created. First off, infographics are graphic visual representations of information, data, or knowledge intended to present information quickly and clearly. They can improve cognition by utilizing graphics to enhance the human visual system's ability to see different patterns and trends. The topic for my infographic is about sexually transmitted diseases on the rise in the United States. I chose this as I had recently done research on this in another class. I designed this infographic in a way that shows the main points and the sort of causes and issues of the issue here. The main points being major increases in rising rates in sexual education and methods being the causes, and not necessarily the lesser points, but I put them down below. Visually, I aligned all my elements in a sort of combination between horizontal and vertical, as you can see. I felt that it displayed the information and statistics very efficiently. I use many different icons that I believe related to the idea of science and education. As you can see, a stethoscope, different books, and an instructor. I tried to use colors that complemented each other, and I kept in mind the 60-30-10 rule, where blue was my primary, and a lighter blue being the secondary, and accent colors kind of vary between red and yellowish colors when looking at different icons and graphs. I tried to be as efficient as I could with contrast, and my titles and subtitles are laid upon colored backgrounds that make them easy to read. I chose the Pathway Gothic 1 font for my main title here and subtitles. The smaller text down here, I use the Roboto Condensed. The first graph on this infographic is a line graph. I felt that it conceptualized the increase in STD very well. The second graphic I used was a pie chart. It was very clear on information. I enjoy looking at pie charts as well. The methods down below shows a visualized number that I use, and I realized my downfall was not using an isotype. Overall, this is my infographic, and thank you for listening.